In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly access your Shopify profile by adding Shopify to your PC desktop. Having a shortcut on your desktop can make accessing your Shopify account faster and more convenient. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, this simple process will save you time and boost your productivity. First, you'll want to open up your browser and navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is the heart of your online business operations, where you manage everything from products to orders. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. There, you should see an icon with 3 dots stacked vertically. This is commonly referred to as the More or Menu icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Browsers typically use this menu to provide access to additional features and settings that might not be visible on the main browser window. From this menu, you'll want to locate and select the option called Cast, Save, and Share. It's a multifunctional section designed to show a range of actions you can take with the current web page. Once you're inside the Cast, Save, and Share submenu, look for and select the Gay Install Page as App option. Choosing this action will begin the process of installing the Shopify dashboard as an app on your PC. But, more importantly, it will also create a shortcut right on your Windows desktop. This shortcut will take you directly to your Shopify dashboard without needing to go through your browser each time. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. With this shortcut, you have the power to streamline your workflow. Simply double-click the icon on your desktop whenever you want to jump back into managing your store. It's a small change with big benefits, allowing you to bypass additional navigation and get straight to the tasks that matter. This feature not only speeds up your access, but can also offer a more app-like experience, making managing your Shopify store feel seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little trick helps you get the most out of your workday. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe and share with others who might benefit from a quicker way to access their Shopify dashboard. For more tips and tutorials on making the most of your Shopify experience, stay tuned. Happy selling, and see you next time.